What's the name of this place?
Gyeongbokgung.
Alright, well you heard her. We're in Gyeongbokgung. Whatever. It's one of the old palaces in Korea. It was built in the 1300s. It was destroyed by the Japanese in the 1500s, and then it was rebuilt under an emperor in the 1800s. So we're just here checking it out. Korea is very modern and developed, and it actually really reminds me of New York City, to be honest with you. The way the city's laid out, the subway systems, the taxis, it's very chill and laid back. Like I was expecting more something along the lines of like Japan, where it's bright and colorful and energetic. It's not at all. Like Korea is very like chill, relaxed, and calm. Alright, so this is Gyeongbokgung, right? Gyeongbokgung.
근정전.
Yeah, I don't say it correctly, but Gyeongbokgung Hall. This was the seat of government, basically, in this complex. This complex is actually pretty dang big, actually. It stretches all the way back there. There's more places and more buildings behind this place, but this building in particular was the seat of government for the Korean emperor. Alright, so this next place that we're coming up on is called Gyeonggi-ru. I think it was this building right here primarily, and it was used for events like just dinner. This is all based off the tourist information I got. So this is just based. This was built for you know, banquets and dinners and meetings and all that sort of thing. So dignitaries from other countries come hang out here, and that's it. So where are we going next?
정회로.
Yeah, this Tonghaeru. What is that over there then?
정회로.
Yeah, that's Tonghaeru.
Yes.
What is that?
저건 뭐야?
Alright, change of information. So apparently that is Tonghaeru. What is this building? Sungjongjeong. Alright, so I just read the information that I have. Yeah, you know, it's nothing that important. It's only where, you know, the Korean writing system was invented, to be honest with you. Can you believe that? Unbelievable. This is the building right here where the Korean writing system was invented. Because in the 1400s, Koreans were using the Chinese-based alphabet, and the Japanese did that too. The Japanese took the Chinese writing system and kind of adapted their own. Koreans did that for a while, but around the 1400s, they were like, screw this. Chinese is like 5,000 characters, no thanks. And they made a phonetic alphabet, and it was invented right here in this building. Unbelievable. Alright, you gotta excuse the music. Apparently there's a concert or something going back. We weren't able to see the entire palace because it is getting late, and it's actually time to go eat. Looks like it's gonna rain too, so it's time to get out of here. Alright, I'm just gonna come right out and own it. I put my thumb right over the G7X microphone, and the audio is incomprehensible. You can't understand anything anybody is saying, so we're just gonna miss out on the commentary from the Korean girls. They gave a good explanation of what each dish was, as well as the Korean name, which I'm not even gonna attempt to produce because Korean is actually extremely difficult to pronunciate. But anyways, it's typical standard dinner with rice, meats, vegetables, different types of extremely spicy stuff to put on the meat, cold green tea, and that is it.
멀미 날 것 같아. 날씨 뮤직. 나가서 돈까스 안 팔리지. Alright, so we made it to Namsan Tower, right there. Basically there's 3 ways to get there. Oh my god. Take the take the cable car, or you can take the bus, or you can actually walk, which some people did, which I think is Kind of crazy, but that's what you want to do. I have no idea what to do here, so we're gonna just go check it out. It's their first time here too, so.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next video. Bye bye.